Hello everyone guys, today in this video we are to show you how to stop desktop icon moving in distant PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to stop desktop icons moving in a distant PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly right click, after click on personalize, now click on themes, after click on desktop icon setting. And here option allow themes to change desktop icons, so uncheck this box. Click on apply, click on off. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. If you want to stop icon, desktop icon moving in distant PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.